Hey fellow Forex traders, hope everybody had a great weekend. It's November the 14th, Monday, November the 14th. Hope everybody's doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you would subscribe, that would be great, but then you're also going to have to click on the notify me when I'm on. And I appreciate that. And we got big news this week here in the U.S. Got the CPI and the PPI report. They're on 2 different days, so those are very important. So they're going to be market movers for this week. There was no news today, and that's kind of why it's doing what it's doing. We're going to take a look at the currencies. Pound dollar is in a buy. It's ran away. I'm looking for a pullback to get in. This might be it. I hope that wasn't a low right there. But if it takes out this high, then I'm going to get in. The risk is going to be a little bit greater than what I want, but not by a whole lot. Because that'll have to be the stop right there on the pound dollar. Because the 4 hour is trying to make a turn too on the 4 hour, but it's in a sell. But it's made a big retracement down, so there could be a retracement back up before it sells off again. See how it ran down right here? I would think it's going to try to come back up into here before it sells off again. So that'd be 100 150 pips potential move there. So I'm going to keep an eye on that for a buy on the pound dollar. Now that may have been as low as it goes, because it went below 40, 28, 14, that's 42, that's that 40 again. I keep saying a lot. So the Aussie dollar is in a buy as well, looking for the buy opportunity on it. There was a little poke down right there to get in, and that may have been it, but that low is 38. It's been to 23, so I'm going to go ahead and get in this one. That's going to be my stop. I'm going to go ahead and long on the Aussie dollar here. I'm going to get in it right now. Pound CAD is in a buy, but there's a sell up above. It already ran up into it, so it could come back up there again and be another sell, low risk sell. Nothing to do here right now. The buy has ran away. You'd have to have a retracement back down here to get a buy. So there's nothing to do on the pound CAD, because it's either got to go up here to be a sell or right down here to be a buy. Pound yen is in a buy 1 hour sell signal, but it made a terrible looking wick. So I would stay away from that right now on the pound yen 1 hour. The euro New Zealand has made a 1 hour sell. It just made it about 45 minutes ago, and it's still in a sale, so there's a potential sale on the Euro New Zealand, and there's a potential sale on the pound New Zealand, but it has got still, 2 hours and 15 minutes left on that candle. Nothing to do there on the pound New Zealand, nothing. New Zealand yen made the ugly spike too, but it's making a buy signal on the 1 hour. It's got 15 minutes still left. So there's nothing to do on it. You have to wait. There is a gap up here, up around the pivot where it hit, sold off. It closed above it, sold off again. I would think a third time might be the charm where it breaks up through it. So there's the gap right there to fill in on the New Zealand yen. And that won't happen today though. That will not happen today. The Euro Aussie is in a sell. And that was the opportunity right there to get in. I just missed that on the sale. Didn't get the best price, but it's still within my 30 pip parameters, actually less than that. So, and I've already took off half. I'm just waiting for it to push up a little bit, and then come down and take out that low where I can move my stop down to there, and then the second half of being good money. The Euro CAD, let's see, 1 hour is in a sale. That was your sell opportunity to get in right there. It's still in a sale. If you did get in there, that was your initial stop. When you had this poke down here, didn't take out the low, it would come back up. If it takes out this low, then you can move your stop from over here all the way down to over here. And you should have taken half your profit off already. It should have been in it. And then you'd actually be at break even right now on the Euro CAD. The pound Aussie's in a sell. It's right up there where it needs to be a sell. So keep an eye on that. Low risk trade, that's your stop. If you get in right now, that's your stop. Nothing no higher, because it can go a lot higher. CAD yen's in a sell. That's the opportunity up in there right now to get in for the sell. If you're going to sell it, the Euro yen is in a sell too. It made its opportunity right in there. It's made a terrible wick too. Don't like those when that happens. Usually stay away from those. Just like the odd yen has done the same thing. It's made a buy. The buy opportunity happened right there. That was during Asia session last night. I was able to get in that. Already taken off half the position, but I'm worried about that candle right there, because that can go either way. It's an ugly looking wick. A lot of times those get filled in. So I've been able to take off half the position though, but I haven't been able to move my stop just yet. It's at break even right now, but I got to have this a push down, more of a push down, and then a turn up and take out that high. Then I can move my stop up underneath there. So nothing to do on those. Several of them, but there is buy opportunities, like on the pound, the Aussie dollar. What was the other ones? The rest of them were sales, right? No, the Aussie yen was a buy. I'm in that one. The rest were sales. Euro New Zealand was a sell. Pound CAD, there's nothing to do on it. Just the pound dollar, the Aussie dollar, the odd yen. Those are the only buy opportunities right now. Potential sell opportunities is a Euro New Zealand, pound New Zealand, Euro Aussie, the pound Aussie, the CAD yen, and the Euro yen. Those are the potential sales. So if you got any questions or comments, feel free to go into my YouTube channel page, and under the videos section there is a comment section where you can ask a question or make a comment. I'll get back to you pretty quick, except for if it's at nighttime when I'm sleeping and overseas is up and you ask it, then it's going to be when I get up, so there will be a time zone difference there. So just realize I'm not ignoring you. It's just it is what it is. And I had done live streaming for a month, actually a little over a month and 2 days, but there was nobody that was coming in the chat room, and I hate hearing myself talk, just to hear myself, But if y'all do want the live streaming, I still have everything set up where I can come back in an instant. But I need feedback. A lot of feedback, actually. Just one or two people is just not, that's not going to happen. But if there's a lot of feedback, then I will do that in the U.S. So to be Eastern time, normally it was on from 8 a.m. until 9:30 or 10, and as long as there was questions and stuff. But I hope everybody has a good rest of the day, and we'll have another video for you tomorrow. This video is recorded, so I'll be posting it in the next hour or two. So just watch out for that in case you miss anything. And we will see you guys tomorrow.